Hey everyone and welcome. If you've ever wanted to add a quick and easy way for visitors to go back to their previous page on your Webflow site, something a little bit smarter than just telling people to use their browser's back button, then you're absolutely in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to add a JavaScript-powered back button inside Webflow. By the end, you'll have a fully functional and stylish back button that gives your users a smoother, more intuitive navigation experience, and it only takes a few minutes to set up. First things first, you'll need a tiny bit of code, but don't worry, you don't need to write any JavaScript yourself. I've already prepared the code for you. Just check the video description below and you'll see a link to the snippet. Go ahead and copy that code. It's just a few lines and perfectly safe. I always recommend copying it directly rather than trying to type it out by hand, just to avoid any sneaky typos or little errors that could keep your button from working. Now let's create the actual button that your visitors will click. In Webflow, all you need is a link text element. You can put this anywhere you want on your page, maybe in your hero section, maybe nestled into your site's navigation bar, or even at the bottom for a subtle go back link. Just drag and drop a link text wherever you think it makes the most sense for your users. Think about their journey. If they've landed on a product details page, for example, having a back link right up top can really make their browsing feel seamless. Once your link text is in place, you'll want to configure its actual link destination. Click on your link text to highlight it and then look to the right-hand side of Webflow's designer for the element settings. Here you'll see a field for the link URL. This is where we'll put a little trick: paste in the JavaScript code you copied from the description. It's going to start with JavaScript, followed by the rest of the code. This clever little command tells the browser to run our script when someone clicks the link, sending them smoothly back to where they came from. A quick note here: sometimes Webflow will warn you about using JavaScript links. That's normal, but as long as you're the one adding the code, it's totally safe for this purpose. Now before we move on, let's make sure your back button is visible and fits in nicely with your site's look. Customizing the appearance is where you can get creative. Change the button's text, maybe add an arrow icon, update the colors or padding, whatever fits your brand's style. The more inviting and intuitive your back button looks, the more likely your users will spot it and use it. Don't be afraid to preview and tweak the design a couple of times. Webflow's visual designer makes this part fun and super easy. Once you're happy with how it looks, it's time to bring your changes to life. Hit that publish button up at the top right corner of the designer. It might take a few seconds for your changes to go live, so don't be alarmed if it takes a moment. Then open up your actual published site, navigate around a bit, and try out your new back button. Give it a click, you should be smoothly whisked back to the previous page just like magic. If it doesn't seem to work right away, double check that you pasted the code correctly and that the link settings didn't strip anything out. Sometimes just repasting can fix it. And that's it, you've now got a simple, functional JavaScript back button on your Webflow site. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like and drop a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more Webflow tips just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.